Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Just a quick little history about this palm. This is my first palm that I've ever gotten, and it's stuck through the winter of a Virginia 7A zone, and it's been growing faster and it's been looking healthier than ever before. So I figured, well, why not go ahead and buy a second palm? Just, maybe I'm testing my luck, but if I could do it once, I feel like I could do it twice. So I went out and I got myself a second windmill palm tree. I don't know why. Sometimes I just can't help myself. I don't know. I went to the nursery where I got this first one at, and they had some more windmill palms. So I was looking around, and I found something pretty that stoked my eyes. So this is this new palm tree that I've gotten. And for $99, it's a pretty good deal. I really can't complain with the size. The trunk, I would say at least 10, 11 inches, maybe even closing on to a foot. But it's definitely a specimen that has a couple years on it for sure. But yeah, this is it compared to the one I got last year. Mine is, I feel like, a little bit thicker than this one on the right that I just got. But we'll see how this summer goes. They look fairly similar in size, but they both look green, they both look happy, and I can't wait to see where this summer takes us. But I just want to show you all my new palms. I'm going to post an update on where I planted. I'm still going to decide if I want to do it up back on this wall again, or if I want to do it in front of the house. I don't know. I feel like it'd be kind of nice to have a little front centerpiece of this windmill palm, but this is how it is. This is the current growth that's happening on the inside. But yeah, thank you guys so much for sticking around, tuning in, and I can't wait to see how the second palm grows. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye bye.